Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today I'm doing an unboxing of 7 Days to Die. I got this second hand. It was originally second hand at 18, then I got it down to 12. So that's what's on the back of the box. If you want to read let the camera focus, it will show you the install and how many gigs you're going to need. Because some of you guys, you know, your memory might be running low. You need to know how much this thing takes. I've just done an update which was 13 gig on this. Alright, so it's a really fun cooperative split screen game as well. So on the front you've got a guy in a cabin with a pickaxe or something, and all the zombies are coming at him. So let's open this up. I haven't got anything in with it today because there's no instructions, but you get the game out. That's what it looks like. You've got the 7 Days to Die logo on there, Xbox One. Okay, the Fun Pimps with the developers. Okay, and Iron, I think it was Iron Galaxy. They're the guys who ported this to Xbox One, and Telltale are the publishers. That's all changed now, as you know. The Fun Pimps bought the whole thing out, so Iron Galaxy will be working with Fun Pimps now. Hopefully the next gen will get an update. So that's it guys, and on the side 7 Days to Die by Telltale Games. Alright, so that's it guys. I found it really hard to get a second-hand copy of this where I was, and I managed to get him down to 12 quid. As I say, I don't know how much this was new, probably about 30 I think originally. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.